1, 2, 3, yan, you know. Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to do a hear me out case. Yeah, there's a brand new face here, which is Hanika. Hello. Because you already see Mega before.
Hi.
You saw her drop.
Yeah, with the Get Ready With Me job. That was epic. Oh my goodness.
Okay, so let's just get started for this video. So we're gonna get started with Hanika because she's new here.
Yeah.
Yeah, Hanika,
Go.
next is me and Mega. Go.
So, hear me out on Tai Long from Kung Fu. Oh,
It's
hot,
no.
bro. Like, hear me out. Okay, next.
Okay, next me is wait. Wait. Okay. Next one. Joker.
Oh, bro, I hear no need.
Yeah.
Explanation. Okay,
Like-
hear me out with Mandarin from SpongeBob. Hear me out on Death from Puss in Boots. The wolf. Oh yeah. Next.
Okay, hear me out. Pennywise.
Yeah, you're psycho. Okay, hear me out. Megamind.
Oh.
Okay, me now. You all know her, Claudine.
Oh, I love her.
Oh yeah.
I love her.
She's
And
so
the next
hot.
one, mine is hear me out. The color red.
What? Color red? I mean, okay. Okay, hear me out. Okay. Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs.
What?
Oh my god! Bro!
Why?
Money, money, money! No!
Okay, you say money, money, money. Mr. Beast.
Oh yeah! Money, money!
Hey guys, we exchanged the angle because you can't see me anymore. So yeah, and say hi to our cameraman. Okay, so now let's get started again for Hanika.
So, Jackson Storm from Cars. Hear me out with that. Bro, he's hot. Yeah, look. I mean, if that man, I would ride it.
Okay, look at Mr. Beast. He's so hot. Oh.
Next.
So guys, we changed the angle. Yeah, that's the cameraman.
I don't think kita sila na ako.
Okay, my next is Ghostface.
Oh, I hear you out. Okay.
Guys, by the way, nasamad ko. Ako, nagdugo na akong steak. Ang buto ko makita ba? Basta
Strawberry
nagdugo-dugo na.
flavor. Cherry. Okay, hear me out. Johnny.
Oh,
Oh my god! No! No!
What?
No!
The monkey?
No! We have to say no! Wait! No way!
Wait,
no, you're
oh my,
not.
this one?
Yeah, Johnny.
He looks
Jenny.
like Jessie.
You. Oh my god! No, you're not. You're kidding.
No, bitaw, it's true.
It's Johnny from Sin.
That looks like
Mas
your
mas
boyfriend.
masabtan pala ko si ano, katuganing Wolf sa scene
Oh, yeah. Now, Johnny? Yeah, I hear you out too, bro. I will hear you out too. Johnny. Johnny.
any mannequin that is a man.
Oh,
What's
yeah.
that? Mannequin.
Mannequin. Okay, hear me out. Jake from Subway Surf.
What the fuck?
Okay. Hear me out with Mr. Wolf from Bad Guys. Oh,
Period.
yeah.
Okay, hear me out. Percy Jackson.
I'm familiar.
Oh, well, yeah, okay.
hear me out. Donkey from Shrek.
What the?
Oh my gosh. He's funny. Okay. Okay, hear me out with Jeff the Killer. What the frick?
Girl, are you okay?
No.
Okay, hear me out, Slenderman.
Oh my god, bro.
Okay, di siya makita, guys.
Of course, Raven from Teen Titan.
Oh,
I
of
hear
course.
you.
Raven Hoshio.
I hear you out too.
Okay,
Slenderman. Oh.
Well,
Oh,
I
yeah,
know.
he's
Okay,
hot.
next. Me next. I feel like, I don't know if Kaka will hear me out. Cat Noir.
Oh my god, yes! Oh my god, yes!
Ew.
Bro, shut up.
he's hot.
You don't have it's hot though. Okay. Who's that? Yan. From Tinkerbell. Oh, it's hot too.
Kana ninyong hear me out. Uy, sige ko.
Hear me out with Nate Theory. Oh yeah. Next.
Okay, me next. Hear me out. Andrew
oh
Garfield
my God.
from Spider-Man.
Yeah, I hear you out loud and clear.
No, right?
Yep. Okay. You're not the only one. Hear me out. I forget his name, but the coconut. Yung
wala siyang
Moana. Okay, hear me out with Nick. Yes. So hot, man. Yeah. Be my boy.
Okay, hear me out. Thanos from Squid Game. Why?
What the F?
Why?
Guys, ako hear me out.
Oh my god! What about that?
Guys, hear me out, guys. The boy.
Oh,
I forgot.
Period.
Okay, me next. Hear me out. This was my type last year. No, last year. What, Sid? What?
Oh,
What?
your ex?
Oh my god, no. Hear me out with Jessica Rabbit.
Of course,
the
Jessica Rabbit.
Red Queen. Oh my
I
god.
love her. I wanna be her. Okay. Next, hear me out. Jade West. Jade West
Yeah.
from Victorious. Of course,
I love her too. Yes. Okay.
hot.
Next. Okay, hear me out.
Wow.
Dobby from Harry Potter.
What the fudge?
Why?
Why not?
Okay.
Hear me out with Mother Gato. Yeah.
True. She's
She's a mommy.
Okay, hear me out. Mikey Madison. Any role she got, but this is from Honora. This
Yeah,
picture is from
but-
Honora.
Hear me out, Branch.
Yeah.
Yes,
Syrian.
Okay, next. Hear me out with Moro from, I don't know, Ninjago. Oh, yeah.
Okay, hear me out. Flynn Rider from
Yeah.
Tangled. Okay, I can put it there. Can you help me?
Okay, next. Hear me out with, I forgot his name. Brooke?
Who's
Like,
that?
who's that? From the Dead Note?
Oh!
okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
My biggest hear me out is Scarlet Overkill.
Oh!
That's 50-50. How could you?
Okay. Wow, my biggest hear me out too is ChatGPT.
My hear me out is Camilio from Encanto.
Encanto.
From Encanto. Okay. Hear me out.
Hyperpigmentation.
What the frick? Look, it's hot.
Okay.
last one is the Ice Queen from Adventure Time.
Wow.
Period.
Yeah.
How nice. I love her.
That's all of it. Okay. So this is our hear me out cake, guys.
Okay.
Wait. Ay, sige, go. Ay, sorry. Sige, go.
What?
Wala.
So this is our hear me out cake, guys.
It's
So as you can
weird.
see, I'm already,
Yeah.
holding our fork because I'm so excited to eat it. Okay, let's try to eat it now.
Wait.
Wait na ako,
Thumbnail.
Oh
fork.
my gosh, the thumbnail!
Ah, sige na, sa likod rin ito na.
Okay, wait. Here, bitch. I know you want it.
Period, girl. Hey, guys.
Let's eat our weirdness. Let's embrace our weirdness.
We're enjoying our cake now.
Oh, girl.
Bye, guys! We're demolishing the f***ing cake.
Period.
Oh my god.